Welcome to today's video about foods to prevent stroke and recover from stroke. Did you know that every 40 seconds, someone in the world suffers from a stroke? What if you could reduce your risk and even aid recovery simply by making a few changes to your diet? Intrigued? Stick around because today we're diving deep into the powerful connection between what you eat and stroke prevention and recovery. But first, let's tackle the basics. What exactly is a stroke? A stroke happens when the blood supply to part of your brain is interrupted or reduced, depriving brain tissue of oxygen and nutrients. Within minutes, brain cells begin to die. Scary, right? But why does this happen? Strokes can be caused by a blocked artery, ischemic stroke, or the leaking or bursting of a blood vessel. High blood pressure, smoking, obesity, and poor diet are some of the major risk factors. So, how can we combat this? What if I told you that the foods you eat every day could help protect you against strokes? Today, we'll explore 15 incredible foods that can help prevent strokes and support recovery if one occurs. Stay tuned as we uncover how these foods work their magic. We'll look at the science behind why they are effective, share delicious recipes, and even touch on recent research that highlights their impact. Ready to take control of your health? Let's get started. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please note, every piece of information here has been authenticated by a cadre of professional researchers. All right, let's dive into our top foods for preventing strokes, starting with the first one on our list. Leafy greens. Incorporating spinach, kale, and other leafy greens into your diet significantly lowers the risk of stroke due to their high folate, fiber, and antioxidant content. Folate helps reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid linked to stroke risk. Elevated homocysteine levels can damage the lining of arteries, leading to the formation of blood clots. Fiber in leafy greens aids in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and blood pressure, further reducing stroke risk. Additionally, antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in stroke development. A study published in the European Journal of Epidemiology in 2021 highlights the benefits of these greens. Researchers found that a higher intake of leafy greens is associated with a 17% lower risk of ischemic stroke. The study attributes this protective effect to the rich presence of nitrates in leafy greens, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and reduces blood pressure, all crucial in preventing strokes. To include leafy greens in your morning routine, consider adding a handful of spinach to your smoothie, making a green omelette with kale, or blending a refreshing green juice. These simple additions can significantly boost your daily intake of protective nutrients. Next, number 2, berries. Including a variety of berries in your diet can significantly contribute to stroke prevention due to their rich content of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for the vibrant colors of berries, have been shown to improve vascular function and reduce inflammation. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage blood vessels and contribute to cardiovascular disease. One of the critical processes involved is the enhancement of endothelial function. The endothelium is the thin membrane lining the inside of the heart and blood vessels, and its proper functioning is crucial for maintaining vascular health. Anthocyanins improve endothelial function by increasing nitric oxide availability, which helps relax blood vessels, reduce blood pressure, and improve blood flow. A 2015 study published in the European Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that regular consumption of berries was associated with a lower risk of stroke. The study found that individuals who consumed berries had a significantly reduced risk of stroke. The research underscores the importance of dietary antioxidants in maintaining cardiovascular health and preventing stroke. To easily incorporate berries into your morning routine, consider adding a handful to your breakfast cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt. Blending them into a smoothie is another convenient option, ensuring you start your day with a nutrient-rich boost. Next, number 3, fatty fish. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet can significantly reduce the risk of stroke due to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. These essential fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure, both of which are key factors in stroke prevention. Omega-3 fatty acids help to prevent the formation of blood clots by reducing platelet aggregation, and they also improve endothelial function, which enhances blood vessel health and circulation. A 2023 study published in the Nutrients highlights the impact of omega-3 fatty acids on stroke risk. The research found that individuals with higher levels of omega-3 in their bloodstream had a significantly lower incidence of ischemic strokes. This study supports the long-standing evidence that consuming fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, can be a protective dietary measure against stroke. For a healthy start to the day, incorporating fatty fish into breakfast can be simple and delicious. Consider a smoked salmon and avocado toast on whole grain bread, or try a savory omelet with flaked mackerel and fresh herbs. These meals not only boost omega-3 intake but also provide a balanced mix of protein and healthy fats to support overall cardiovascular health. Next, number 4, nuts and seeds. A diet rich in nuts and seeds can significantly reduce the risk of stroke. These foods are abundant in healthy fats, particularly unsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol levels. Additionally, nuts and seeds contain a variety of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E, all of which contribute to cardiovascular health. One key compound found in nuts and seeds is omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3 have anti-inflammatory properties that protect blood vessels from damage and reduce the risk of clot formation. Furthermore, the fiber content in nuts and seeds helps regulate blood sugar levels and maintain healthy blood pressure, both critical factors in stroke prevention. A recent study published in the Scientific Reports 2016 found that regular consumption of nuts, particularly walnuts and almonds, was associated with lower risk of ischemic stroke. The research highlighted that the polyphenols and other bioactive compounds in these foods improve endothelial function and reduce oxidative stress, thereby enhancing overall vascular health. This evidence underscores the importance of including a variety of nuts and seeds in one's diet to support long-term heart and brain health. Next, number 5, whole grains. Consuming foods rich in whole grains can significantly reduce the risk of stroke through several mechanisms. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice are packed with dietary fiber, essential nutrients, and bioactive compounds. The fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels and maintain stable blood sugar, both crucial factors in reducing stroke risk. Beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber found in oats, plays a vital role in reducing LDL cholesterol by binding bile acids and promoting their excretion, thereby lowering the body's cholesterol pool. This process is linked to improved vascular health and reduced arterial plaque formation. Moreover, whole grains are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E, selenium, and phenolic acids, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation, further supporting cardiovascular health. A study published in 2018 in the journal Dietary Patterns and Whole Plant Foods in Aging and Disease found that individuals with higher whole grain intake had a significantly lower incidence of ischemic stroke. The study highlighted that bioactive compounds in whole grains, including lignans and phytoestrogens, may improve endothelial function and enhance blood flow, thereby providing protective effects against stroke. By integrating a variety of whole grains into daily meals, individuals can harness these benefits to promote long-term cardiovascular health and reduce the likelihood of experiencing a stroke. Next, number 6, tomatoes. Including tomatoes in your diet can significantly reduce the risk of stroke, thanks to their high content of the antioxidant lycopene. Lycopene helps improve vascular function by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are critical factors in stroke prevention. When consumed, lycopene is absorbed and incorporated into lipoproteins in the blood, where it neutralizes free radicals and reduces the damage they cause to blood vessels. A study published in 2017 in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine highlighted the role of lycopene in lowering stroke risk. Researchers found that participants with higher blood levels of lycopene had a significantly reduced incidence of stroke compared to those with lower levels. This effect is attributed to lycopene's ability to reduce the oxidation of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, which is a major contributor to atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the hardening and narrowing of the arteries. By preventing atherosclerosis, lycopene helps maintain healthy blood flow and reduces the likelihood of blood clots, which are a primary cause of strokes. Furthermore, tomatoes provide essential nutrients such as potassium, which aids in blood pressure regulation, another crucial aspect of stroke prevention. Regular consumption of tomatoes, therefore, supports cardiovascular health and significantly lowers the risk of stroke through multiple biochemical pathways. Next, number 7. Beans and legumes. Rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, beans and legumes play a significant role in reducing stroke risk. Their high fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood vessels and reducing the likelihood of arterial blockages that can lead to strokes. Additionally, the potassium found in beans and legumes aids in blood pressure regulation, a key factor in stroke prevention. Beans and legumes are also rich in folate, a B vitamin essential for reducing homocysteine levels in the blood. Elevated homocysteine is associated with an increased risk of stroke and cardiovascular diseases. By reducing these levels, the risk of vascular damage and clot formation diminishes. A 2019 study published in the Nutrients highlighted that regular consumption of beans and legumes is linked to a lower incidence of stroke. The study emphasizes the role of bioactive compounds such as flavonoids and phytochemicals in these foods. These compounds exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, protecting the endothelial cells lining the blood vessels and enhancing vascular health. The combined effect of fiber, potassium, folate, and bioactive compounds in beans and legumes contributes to a robust cardiovascular system, significantly lowering the risk of stroke through multiple mechanisms. Next, number 8. Garlic. Consuming garlic has been shown to reduce the risk of stroke due to its high allicin content, a sulfur compound known for its health benefits. When garlic is chopped or crushed, allicin is released and converted into active compounds that promote cardiovascular health. These compounds help to lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow, which are crucial factors in stroke prevention. A study published in the journal Molecular Medicine Reports in 2015 highlighted the role of allicin in reducing stroke risk. The research found that allicin inhibits platelet aggregation and reduces the formation of blood clots, which can block arteries and lead to strokes. Additionally, allicin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect blood vessels from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to stroke risk. Moreover, garlic's ability to lower LDL cholesterol levels and increase HDL cholesterol further supports cardiovascular health, reducing the likelihood of a stroke. Regular consumption of garlic can lead to a healthier lipid profile, which in turn minimizes the buildup of arterial plaque, ensuring smoother blood flow and reducing the risk of stroke events. Next, number 9. Sweet potatoes. A diet rich in colorful vegetables like sweet potatoes can significantly reduce the risk of stroke due to their high content of potassium and antioxidants. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body, thus reducing hypertension, a major risk factor for stroke. Additionally, sweet potatoes are abundant in beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant that combats oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to stroke development. One key compound found in sweet potatoes, chlorogenic acid, has been shown to have protective cardiovascular effects. It works by inhibiting the oxidation of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, thereby preventing plaque formation in arteries. This ensures smoother blood flow and reduces the likelihood of clot formation. A 2014 study published in the Harvard Medical School demonstrated that higher dietary intake of potassium and antioxidants from sources like sweet potatoes is associated with a lower incidence of ischemic strokes. The research highlights how these nutrients contribute to vascular health by mitigating oxidative damage and maintaining optimal blood pressure levels, thereby reducing stroke risk. Next, number 10. Green tea. Sipping on green tea can significantly reduce the risk of stroke, thanks to its rich content of catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG, These powerful antioxidants help improve endothelial function, which is crucial for maintaining flexible and healthy blood vessels. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, catechins lower the likelihood of plaque formation in arteries, a major contributor to strokes. A 2014 study published in the journal Current Pharmaceutical Design found that regular consumption of green tea is associated with a lower incidence of ischemic stroke. The researchers observed that individuals who drank at least 3 cups of green tea per day had a 21% reduced risk of stroke compared to non-tea drinkers. This protective effect is attributed to the anti-inflammatory and vasodilatory properties of EGCG, which enhance blood flow and prevent blood clots. Moreover, green tea polyphenols inhibit the activity of angiotensin-converting enzyme, leading to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a known risk factor for strokes, and by managing it, green tea plays a pivotal role in stroke prevention. The combination of improved vascular health and reduced blood pressure makes green tea a potent natural defense against stroke. Now, let's explore the essential foods that support stroke recovery, beginning with number 1. Citrus fruits. Consuming citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons can significantly aid in stroke recovery due to their high content of vitamin C and flavonoids. Vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are crucial for brain healing post-stroke. Flavonoids, particularly hesperidin and naringenin, enhance blood flow and improve endothelial function, which is vital for delivering nutrients and oxygen to the brain during recovery. A study published in the journal Stroke in 2012 demonstrated that the intake of flavonoid-rich foods, including citrus fruits, was associated with a reduced risk of recurrent stroke and improved neurological outcomes. The study highlighted that flavonoids enhance the nitric oxide pathway, leading to vasodilation and improved cerebral blood flow, which is essential for recovery. Furthermore, these compounds have been shown to have neuroprotective effects by modulating signaling pathways involved in apoptosis and neuroinflammation. This helps to protect neurons from further damage and promotes the repair of neural networks. Incorporating citrus fruits into the diet can therefore support the brain's natural healing processes, reduce the risk of further strokes, and improve overall recovery outcomes for stroke survivors. Next, number 2. Beets. Consuming beets can significantly aid in stroke recovery due to their high nitrate content. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which enhances blood flow by dilating blood vessels and improving vascular function. This increased blood flow is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the brain, promoting healing and reducing the risk of further complications. Nitric oxide also helps lower blood pressure, which is essential for preventing additional strokes. Moreover, beets are rich in antioxidants, particularly betalains, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a significant factor in stroke damage, and reducing it can support brain recovery and protect against further injury. A study published in 2022 in the journal Frontiers in Neurology found that dietary nitrate from beets improves cerebral blood flow and cognitive function in patients recovering from a stroke. The research highlighted that participants who consumed beet juice showed marked improvements in brain connectivity and reduced cognitive decline compared to those who did not. This study underscores the importance of nitric oxide in enhancing brain health and recovery post-stroke. In summary, the compounds in beets, particularly nitrates and betalains, play a pivotal role in vascular health and inflammation reduction, making them an excellent food for stroke recovery. Next, number 3. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, exhibits potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that are beneficial for stroke recovery. This compound helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which are critical factors in stroke damage. By modulating inflammatory pathways and enhancing the production of antioxidant enzymes, curcumin aids in protecting neural cells from further damage and supports the brain's natural healing processes. A 2008 study published in the journal Advances in Experimental Medicine and Biology highlighted curcumin's neuroprotective effects in post-stroke therapy. The research demonstrated that curcumin significantly improved neural plasticity and cognitive function in stroke patients. This is achieved through the upregulation of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a key protein involved in the growth and survival of neurons. Regular consumption of turmeric can enhance blood flow to the brain, further aiding recovery by ensuring adequate oxygen and nutrient supply to damaged areas. These combined effects make turmeric a valuable addition to a recovery-focused diet, potentially improving outcomes for stroke survivors. Next, number 4, dark chocolate. The consumption of dark chocolate can significantly aid in stroke recovery due to its high flavonoid content. Flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, have been shown to enhance brain function by promoting blood flow and providing neuroprotective effects. These compounds help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are critical factors in the brain's healing process post-stroke. A study published in 2020 in the journal Nutrients revealed that flavonoids in dark chocolate could improve cognitive functions and neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This research highlights how these bioactive compounds can contribute to better recovery outcomes for stroke patients. Moreover, dark chocolate's antioxidant properties combat free radicals, thereby reducing cellular damage and supporting overall brain health. The improved blood circulation facilitated by the consumption of dark chocolate also ensures that more oxygen and nutrients reach the brain, further aiding in the recovery process. Incorporating a moderate amount of dark chocolate into the diet can thus be a delicious and beneficial strategy for enhancing stroke recovery. Next, number 5, pomegranate. Rich in antioxidants, pomegranates play a crucial role in stroke recovery by protecting brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. The high levels of polyphenols, particularly puniclagins and anthocyanins, in pomegranates help reduce inflammation and promote neuroprotection. These compounds enhance the brain's natural repair processes, improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of secondary stroke events. A 2018 study published in Nutritional Neuroscience highlighted the benefits of pomegranate extract in stroke recovery. The research demonstrated that pomegranate polyphenols significantly reduced neuronal damage and improved functional recovery in animal models of stroke. The study's findings suggest that the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranates can help mitigate the detrimental effects of a stroke, supporting the brain's healing processes. Moreover, pomegranate consumption can improve blood flow and reduce arterial plaque buildup, further aiding cardiovascular health. By incorporating pomegranates into a post-stroke diet, patients may experience enhanced recovery outcomes and a reduced likelihood of subsequent strokes. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips on preventing and recovering from strokes both informative and inspiring. If this video was helpful, kindly type S in the comment box below. Your feedback really motivates us to produce more content like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.